Hello there, moin, ladies and gentlemen, Donspektor here today on basically when I'm leaving for vacation, still an unboxing for you. And I have for you something that I have not thought I'd be looking into, and that comes in this weird thick paper plastic bag. It actually was very easy to open. We have a product from a non-audiophile company. We have the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Not sure why it's Buds Pro 2 or the other way around, always confused this. Yeah, so after I was not very impressed with the first generation, like generally fine for on the go, but not really impressive. Actually, I got the second gen because, yeah, I need to commute from time to time. And, yeah, this one is supposed to be better than the first one. So, this is it. Yeah, I again choose purple because why not? And you have this additional sticker here because, yep, I chose a refurbished version because why not? Came with full warranty, so doesn't make sense to buy it new when you can get refurbished for much cheaper, and then also keeps it from the landfill. So yeah, that's what I have here. And whoop, we open that. We have again the manual here, which is in this black thing. Looks like actually nobody ever looked into it. I also don't think I will need to look into it. And then here the IEM and the accessories, of which we get, this actually looks like new. It looks like they never even unboxed the charging cable it comes with. So let me quickly unbox it. This looks like the standard Samsung USB-C cable, nothing special whatsoever. And here again, ear tips. Let's quickly take a look at the ear tips. Come on, go out. Yeah, these are now bug standard silicone ear tips. Pretty floppy if you ask me. Oh, there's a tiny filter in the front here. A bit difficult to see with my replacement smartphone at the moment. There's a bit of a filter on the inside here. Generally this is yeah, feeling okay. And I'm not sure if it is used or not, can't tell you. Was listed as new basically. And then we have the buds themselves here. You can see this is definitively somehow looking a bit more ominous than the first gen, a bit more colorless. And you open that and we see the buds, which kind of look the same as the first gen. Also the charging case looks very similar, still says sound by AKG. Yeah. Okay, but here you can see they have been used and not cleaned. Actually a bit dirty on the inside. Well, that will be cleaned later. And then the buds itself, yeah, you have the charging pins here. I think there's infrared sensor, not entirely sure. Super short nozzle again. Fortunately, though, without the weird lip around. So that's nice to see. And they generally feel a bit more solid than the first generation, I have to say. And yeah, last but not least, the seams around here are not the best, I have to say. They're a bit uneven, you can already see it. A bit less here, a bit more pronounced here. But it doesn't feel bad whatsoever. And L&R markings printed on here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, this is just a short unboxing here because there isn't much to talk about with the buds. Yeah, we'll see how they do, how they perform, and yeah, keep you updated. And now to a quick first impression of the Buds Pro. So yeah, this actually is recorded after the fact, but I took a few notes after my first impressions after I received them. And yeah, my notes were generally positive. I couldn't spot anything negative. The mids were well pronounced. Bass was strong without being drowning. The treble was well. Upper mids were nicely defined. And really, my first impressions were super positive. At that point, I had not measured them yet. So I will just tell you exactly what I felt or what I experienced then. And yeah, also all of my benchmark songs worked very fine. They all sounded a bit blunted at that time. So that's what I noted for basically every jazz song I threw on. Like they all sounded a bit blunted overall. But in terms of overall tonality, this one is really, really good. And yeah, I didn't have any problems with them. Now though, small spoiler, it has been like weeks since I unboxed this and had been on vacation and had been using this. And yeah, after giving them like basically my entire benchmark library and measuring them, ooh, yeah, this is possibly the best CO2 wireless out there. And I hope to have the review ready somewhere next week. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, you have criticisms, please leave a comment. And with this, Donspektor out.